everyone, welcome in, welcome back if you've been here before, and big welcome in if you're new. Love and sunshine, I hope you're all doing well today. I'm excited for this one. It's a chocolatey one. This is table scrapings from my last painting. I'll link that up in the corner. I also have some unbleached titanium and titanium white for this piece, and my metallics are gold and silver, the usual suspects. So they're all mixed with pouring medium except for the custom chocolatey color. I'm doing an open cup pour, but I will talk a little bit more about what I've got in the chocolatey one because there's quite a bit. It's got as I said from the last piece, so it's got scarlet red, it's got black, it's got a little bit of titanium white because there was some grey in there. It's all got silicone in it. It's also got Australian Floetrol, it's got, and the pouring medium. So yeah, it's pretty much got everything. So it's extra yummy. I don't know why I keep thinking of paints as actual food, because it's not. But I don't know, maybe I'm doing this when I'm hungry. I have no clue. But anyway, I hope you've got as much of a sweet tooth as I do. And I hope you enjoy. So stay tuned and enjoy the pour, and I'll see you on the flip side. here it is. It's all done. Just popping the last of those pesky little air bubbles, and I will bring you in for a closer look at the piece. Now it's all done. Oh, there's so many beautiful things going on here. Okay, here it is. Look at these cells. We've got the usual metallic cells, but there's some really interesting crystalline effects going on here. That unbleached titanium did some beautiful things, but the brown, I think it's a dark brown as it's blended into, because it's going into the white where that is. It's made this beautiful streaky thing. I don't know how to describe it. That unbleached titanium down there in the bottom right hand corner, it's just, oh, that's gorgeous. I've actually flipped the piece for the dried result, but it dried up spectacularly. We've got a little bit of shine from the gold and the silver, but there is so many different things going on here. We've got tiny little micro bubbles that are going on there from where I popped the bubbles with the heat gun, but you've got silicone cells going on. You've got the metallics that have created cells. So many different effects. Some of the milky blends going on between the paint. Oh, it's just beautiful. I hope you enjoy it too. If you do, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button. And yeah, thank you for watching. And guess what? Go and eat some chocolate. See you in the next video, guys.